你叫醒佢啦！係啊，而家。
What the fuck's going on?
Dog Eyes shut up Winston's mother's restaurant tonight.
你同我冚唪唥叫醒佢哋啊！
Winston, I just heard. Your mother?
She's fine. But 2 of our people were killed, and a couple customers were wounded. The police are there now.
Wait, he went after your family?
大佬 everyone's outside. 我哋隨時可以出發。
Listen up! We're hitting a sweatshop on the waterfront. All his trucks move to that place. It's how he makes his money. I want it burned to the ground. Siwa runs the operation. Put that Gatar in the shallow grave. 你等緊乜嘢啊？走啊！
Winston, are you sure about this?
Of course I'm fucking sure.
Look, what's the chairman gonna say when he finds his warehouse floating in the ocean?
He's not gonna like it. But there's no way Dog Eyes walks away from this.
So burn the warehouse, but take Suwa alive. Put him to work for you, and give the chairman a bigger cut than he was getting from Dog Eyes.
Okay, do it. Bring him alive.
Right, boss.
Get in. Hello? Yeah, speaking. Right.
Dog Eyes gotta know he fucked with the wrong people.
Yeah, no kidding.
We're short a gun. You're good with your hands, Shan. Let's see what you can do without iron.
Look, hold on. We shouldn't go in shooting anyway. There'll be workers in there. And we need Suwa alive. He's worth a fortune.
Oh, we're going in shooting. This is Dog Eye's biggest moneymaker. They're not gonna give it up without a fight.
But you want me unarmed.
You're the new guy. Once you're inside, find your own gun. And use it. Believe me, you better have some bodies on you before the night is over. I want to see proof that you're not a cop. As far as I'm concerned, there's only one test that matters.
So you want me to kill one of Dog Eye's drug dealers to prove it? All right? It'll be my pleasure. All right, here's the plan. Go to the back door. I'll look around, you wait for my signal to attack.
What? You seen the new cab yet?
The ones?
Silver.
I know him. Out of Winston's car. Fucking get him. Hey, what's his problem? Didn't you hear? Did you do something? Who is the doctor? Call me. Who the fuck is this? 一定會後悔。打爆嚟啦 ！Hey, it's Winston's gang! 死啦緊啊！
Siwa, you're coming with me.
Fuck you! You're not taking me alive!
Stop!
All right, light it up! Stop them chasing me! Guys, help me! Fuck you! God damn it, let go of me! What are you doing? Let go of me! You're fucking with the wrong people! God damn it, let go of me! Don't move!
Shit!
I said, don't move!
Fucking cops.
Let go of me! Ah! Fuck! Are you fucking done? Okay, I'm done. What are you doing? Shut up. You know what you just did? You're dead. You're dead! Look, I'm not afraid of dog eyes. Dog eyes? Motherfucker, I get paid by dog eyes, but all my product goes to Big Smile Lee. You wanna fuck with him? I just did. You dumb bastards got any idea how badly this is going to fuck things? Hey, ask me if I care. My product is what makes the whole triad work.
That was fucking crazy!
Siwa. Nice to motherfucking meet you. From tonight on, your partnership with Dog Eyes is done. Take a ride with me. We can talk about the terms of your new partnership. You did good. Here, a little token of my respect. Keep this up and there's a lot more. I get the feeling things are looking up for the Water Street boys.
Thanks, boss.
Hey, man. Look, I don't do this often. But, I'm sorry, I was wrong about you. You show your true colors tonight, brother.